How to resize lock screen clock in iOS 26. In this video, I will guide you on how to resize lock screen clock in iOS 26. First of all, you want to swipe down to open up your lock screen. Now here, you want to tap and hold. Then you will find the customize option. Tap on that. Now, as you can see, your current size of the lock screen clock is this. If you want to resize it, then you simply want to drag it in this way. Now you can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. Once you're happy with the size, you can simply tap on the done option at the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you want to change the lock screen wallpaper, you can do that from here as well. Then simply head back. After you have customized it, you can simply swipe up. And in this way, you can easily resize lock screen clock in iOS 26. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.